Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, pineapple shrimp barley salad. Do the morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the goodies for the barley. Rinsing the barley. Barley right out of the mini hot box, ready for cooling. The barley on a sheet pan for cooling. All the dressing ingredients. Dressing is ready. All the goodies for the shrimp. All the goodies with the shrimp. The shrimp waiting for the oil to heat up in the saute pan. The shrimp hit the hot oil. Everything in one place to come together in the bowl. Everything in the bowl but the dressing. Everything all mixed together. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.